Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to platform events in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need just to go and use flows in this tutorial to subscribe to the platform event messages. So from our flow builder, we will need just to go to setup and basically access our flow builder so we can subscribe to our platform event. So from here we type flows and we search for our flows, and if we don't have any we can create ones. So from new flow we will need just to use one from scratch, and then we will need to have a platform event triggered flow. So from here we will need just to launch when a platform event message is received, which means we will be able to subscribe to a platform event. So from here, you will need just to choose your platform event. So I'm just going to dismiss this. And basically, we will need just to search for our events. So those are events that I have created. We can access them here in platform events. So from here, we can see these events that I have created. So we can choose anyone. Let's go to my events, for example, and then we can go to advanced settings, and here you can run this flow whatever you like, either as a default workflow user or user that triggered the event. So from here we have our event that has been created or uh, related or attached, which means that now we are subscribing to this platform. So simply now you will need just to add your interactions, either actions, you add logic, whatever you like, create records or anything, and basically that's it. So simply this is how you can subscribe to an event. Thank you for watching and see you next time.